Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python and Vscode. Now create the environment. In Vscode, open the project folder and a new integrated terminal. Run Python venv. Venv and wait for the small setup to finish. This places an isolated interpreter in. Venv. Once done, make sure the virtual environment exists and contains bin or scripts. You created the venv to isolate packages and avoid global installs, which keeps projects reproducible and prevents dependency conflicts across projects. Activate the venv so your shell uses its Python and pip. On Mac OS/Linux run source. venv/bin/activate on Windows PowerShell use. venv/scripts/activate, PS1. Then in VS Code, open the command palette and choose Python. Select interpreter, picking the venv interpreter so the editor and debugger use it. Install packages with pip install package name. Make sure pip points to the venv. This ensures linting. IntelliSense and debugger all reference the isolated environment for consistent behavior. Run and debug with confidence. Create or update launch. JSON so the program uses the chosen interpreter path. VS Code usually sets this automatically when you select the venv. Save dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT for future installs. If something breaks, no interpreter in the list or wrong pip, reload the VS Code window, reopen the folder, or reselect Python. Select interpreter. You can also delete and recreate. Venv if corruption occurred. These steps restore a clean, predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.